Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to transplant some brand new hibiscus plants that we just bought into some larger pots. Today we purchased these two potted hibiscus plants and we're going to transfer them into a larger pot so they can grow and bloom all season long. So when we're planting this, we're going to mix in some new dirt with the old dirt from last year. And this year we have some peat and some manure compost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a 50-50 mix into this container, and then I'm going to mix it good, and then that's what we're going to mix into the new pots with the new plants. So now I'm going to take a razor and I'm going to cut the existing pot that the plant came in two different spots very carefully so I don't cut any of the roots. And then I'm going to pull the existing pot off and then plant it in the larger pot. So I've got the new plant out of its pot. I am now going to dig a hole in the existing pot that we plan on planting it in, and I'm going to make sure that the whole plant fits in underneath the surface of the old dirt. And then I'm going to mix the compost in with that dirt and the new plant. As you can see, I have to dig a big enough hole in our new pot so that the plant that we just purchased will go underneath the surface. You don't want that to be above the surface because then those roots might get exposed. So you want it underneath the surface, and then we're going to mix the peat and the compost together. So I repeated the process on the second plant just like what I did on the first. So now we have both plants in their new pots and it's time to water them. Usually I'll use some type of fertilizer along with the watering that I'm doing on the first time. Make sure that I thoroughly soak the dirt and the plant every single time that I water them. I usually water them every single day. So I bought the plants just before Mother's Day. Today's the 4th of July. This is what they look like now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.